what is that stuff over there? That's where they make the boats. Like, you know, the part over there where this isn't. Lake Mead. No harassing the ducks or fish. This is so nice. It's hot out here. Even with the breeze, it's hot. But it's beautiful. Those mountains. See the ducks? No harassing the ducks. See the fish in there? That's a big, like a catfish. Look at that. Look at the baby one. Marinas. They got all these boats here. Look at this fish right here.
Striper, catfish, and carp.
Oh, he's
So
big.
these are stripers right here.
He's,
That's a carp right there.
look at, look at him. He's
And
opening his
underneath with
mouth.
the whiskers are the cats.
What's this big? Oh my God!
That's
Look.
carp.
Open the mouth, right?
Oh yeah, you throw a little popcorn in, they'll go crazy.
Oh
Can we
really?
do that?
Oh yeah, they saw
It's
that.
my
They go nuts. They got it in the restaurant. They got bags.
Oh
They're
my
just looking
God!
for free.
Cause this right here with these mountains. Wow. Crazy. Oh my! We're getting ready to do it right now. Oh my God! They look at that. Oh, it's like they're gonna attack. So they're getting fed. Oh, wow! Look at this. He is big. Yes. Look how big he is. They're about to bite each other. Look at that. Wow. That is really, really desert. Beautiful. Literally, you drive right up to the beach. This is the beach, literally. We'll get out the car. All these mountains, all of them in the middle of the desert. Lake Mead. And we're at the PCW beach site. Going up this mountain. lot of time. It says Arizona time zone. So inside the Hoover Dam, there is 2 different time zones. You gotta pop way up there to walk where we was from. It's like 100 and something degrees, so we're not walking today. At the Hoover Dam, where there's 2 different time zones, Arizona and Nevada.
2 places at the same time. I can do that.
That one over there is
Nevada.
And this one right here is Arizona. So you can literally be in 2 places at one time. So look at that water. This is a Hoover Dam. In the middle of the mountains. See these 7 magic rocks or something, whatever it's called. Hey, it's me, TC. If you're new to my channel or enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.